Hi guys, I'm Tiana Michelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have partnered with African Pride to try out some of their new products from their Moisture Miracle line, and I'm super excited. So the three new products that I will be trying out are the Hydrate and Renew Curl Milk and Detangler, the Hydrate and Hold Curl Defining Gel, and the Maximum Hold Edge Styling Wax. I've already washed and conditioned my hair, and I went ahead and moisturized my scalp with their oil. That's why I have the shower cap on, to keep my hair nice and damp before I begin styling. Moisture Miracle blend includes castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. And it says that the castor oil nourishes the scalp and helps to promote hair growth. Grapeseed oil provides thermal protection, soothes, and adds shine. The argan oil is a natural antioxidant and it smooths hair cuticles. The coconut oil deeply conditions, hydrates, and helps repair, while the olive oil seals in moisture and helps prevent breakage. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my shower cap off my head. I already have my hair split into 4 sections, but I'm probably gonna switch my middle part into a side part for the style. I will be doing a twist out, which is a surprise for me. I don't think I have done a regular twist out on my channel because I'm not team twist out, but I'm trying to get there. So that's the style that we will be doing today. I'm going to move section by section. That's always worked so much easier for me. So I will be using the Curl Milk and Detangler first, and then I will apply a small amount of the Curl Defining Gel over the Curl Milk. I'm looking at the Curl Milk and Detangler now, and it says that it moisturizes and softens natural coils and curls. It includes aloe and coconut water. It says that the aloe vera nourishes, conditions, and protects against breakage, while the coconut water helps strengthen hair and restores moisture. When I am doing styles like wash and goes, I like to use a small amount of Curl Milk and leave-in conditioners. But since I am doing a twist out, I think I'm gonna go a little heavier with the Curl Milk. Not too much, but I'm gonna add a little more. This Curl Milk does feel very moisturizing, but it doesn't feel too heavy. I know that this product line focuses on moisturizing, especially curly and coily hair, but it doesn't feel like it's overpowering, because those are things that I have to keep in mind, being that I have low porosity hair. I think for the back of my head, I'm going to do probably like 3 twists on each side. I'm not going to do super small twists. This will be the first section that I start on. I'm just going to take the Curl Defining Gel. It says that the Curl Defining Gel shapes, adds deep definition and shine to natural coils and curls without alcohol or flaking. So I'm just going to take like a very small amount. And it's a clear gel, so I don't know if you guys can really see it on my fingers. I don't know if my camera is focusing, but I'm just going to take a very small amount to where I can actually feel it on my hair, but it's not like oversaturated. And with this, I'm mainly going to focus on my roots and my ends especially. So I'm still applying it all over my hair, but those are going to be my main focus points because they tend to get the most frizzy. I'm not going to twist all the way down. Instead, I'm going to take my brush and just go over my ends very gently to make sure I'm getting all the tangles out. And then I'm going to take a little more of the Curl Defining Gel and I'm just going to coil my ends around. So this is the first twist. Now we move on to the next section. So now I'm all done twisting my hair, and I think I want to go soft on my edges. I want to do a little something, but not too much. I'll be using the Edge Styling Wax from African Pride's Moisture Miracle line, and I've been playing around with it a little bit already, and it has a very, like, it's definitely a wax. Assume that you don't need to use a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some on my fingertip and just rub it along my edges. On the jar it says, this premium wax blend of aloe and coconut water smooths and shapes hard to hold edges in hair without flaking, while nourishing and protecting against breakage. It also helps to leave edges healthy and tack free. What I'm gonna do is sit under my hooded dryer for a little bit, and then I'm going to allow my hair to dry the rest of the way overnight. And then I'm gonna come back and take my hair down and show y'all the finished results. Okay, so my hair is now fully dry, so I'm just going to take these twists out. Yeah, I'm so excited and looking nervous because I'm not a twist out girl. But I mean, depending on these results, I may just become a twist out girl. If you live in a more humid environment and you struggle with frizziness when doing braid outs and twist outs, I really suggest incorporating a small amount of gel into your style regimen. It really makes a difference. I know you're probably wondering, like, why would you use a gel for a twist out? Won't it come out hard and crunchy, flaky, and all these issues? But actually, no, and especially not with African Pride's new line of products, because the curl milk that I used underneath the gel really softened my hair and created a nice balance. It's giving results very similar to what would happen if I were to use a butter gel. Is this really a twist out? Is this seriously a twist out? I don't believe it. My hair feels so soft, you guys. As I explained when I was applying the curl milk, my hair was really taking that product in, and it wasn't just sitting on top of my hair. I have tried like braid outs with gel in the past, and I always get flaky results. So I was kind of nervous about that when I took my hair down, but I'm gonna move in closer because I really want you guys to see what I'm talking about. Like, if you look, especially at my roots, when I have styled with gels in the past and done styles that aren't wash and goes, I usually get a lot of flaking at my roots. As you can see, there is no flaking. I would get it like at my roots. I'm letting you guys see all up in my scalp because I just want to show you that there is no flaking, and that's just a huge plus for me. So I am very happy with this outcome. I am going to end the video here. If you guys have tried any of African Pride's products, let me know down in the comment section. If you have tried them, also let me know how they worked out for you, because I'm really interested in hearing what you all think. And also remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, I will leave it right up here for you, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.